Good morning, 9:49 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on this Monday, September 18th, 2023. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and I reside in the great state of Michigan. So let's get through this. XRP's up 2.05%. We have another long leg doji as we seen yesterday in the daily time frame. We still maintain above that 49-cent pattern formation. We'll go to this formation first. We sit within the uptrending support on this pattern formation. Until we break 49 cents, you would not come down to your next target, which would be the rising channel that sits below you. You have one at 45 cents, and then the longer term rising channel goes all the way back until about June of 2022. But as of right now, we're still in this formation. We talked about the long leg doji yesterday, which could be signifying that this pattern's losing strength. We've talked about how we have top end potential to come to 53 cents, approximately 53.3. We've got the 200-day up here around 52 cents, but then at 524 we've got a major resistance as well, which is the 200-day and the daily approximately right around 524. If we look at Bitcoin, if you watched the live on Sunday at 12 a.m., it was about 12:30 a.m. early Sunday morning. I talked about how Bitcoin, I thought it was going to come back up to 27,700 likely, which is exactly what we've done. We missed it by a little bit so far. We came to about 27,400, but is this rally over with? We'll have to see in the immediate short term. Right now, Bitcoin's trying to come up to that major resistance. That's a major pivot level at 27,700. Right now in the 4-hour time frame, we're back above the 200-day. Not any volume of any kind of sort coming in really for Bitcoin. Daily, we're right at the 200-day at right around 27,000. So we'll see what happens here, if this is a continuation up or if we're going to get the proper rejection here for a further push down. We don't have a lot of volume coming in is the only thing. We still have 10 hours left on this daily candle. We've had on Bitcoin roughly 1,109 Bitcoin. It's not a lot of Bitcoin if we want to have this huge rally up. It's about almost 5 times less than the breakdown volume. So we'll see. This looks like a nice, this could very well be leverage traders, the shorts covering right now. So we have to be very careful when we watch this. Pay attention to long leg dojis, the last 2 daily candles, yesterday and today. We have a resistance right above right now. If we do break past 51 cents, our major resistance is 524. I'm going to continue to show this formation though. I'm going to continue to show this formation until we break down. I think this is the easiest way for XRP traders, XRP holders, or just anybody who appreciates XRP to read this chart. This is still what I consider a breakdown. It looked like a bear flag, but a bull flag disguised within a bear flag. So it's a bear flag breakdown, but it came up to a bull flag setup. We formed it as a bull flag, minusing this wick right here, because we don't come down here. We use this as the flagpole. Come up, and now we're within the formation. To break out of this, right now we would have to break the 531 approximately, and then get back over 538 to get back within that descending triangle, basically the top end of that formation. Other than that, this is standard operating procedure, as we said at the start of the weekend. Until you lose 49 cents, you can bounce around in here, and that would bring you up to 531 area approximately. We could say 533, but it's continuing on each daily candle. And then until you break over that, you can't get back within the wider pattern. Otherwise, if you continue this formation, let's just say we play it out, and then it breaks down. So let's just say we play the true pattern out, and then it breaks down. First layer is going to be this uptrend. Well, not there. The first, that's the second layer, the 2020. That's the real support. If you're looking at just the real pattern formations, that's the real true support at 38 cents. But you can't get there until we break through this rising channel. So if that pattern formation breaks down at any point, we lose 49 cents. You've got 41 cents underneath on the rising channel, very firm. And then underneath that, you got 38 cents. We've got the 438 swing bottom, which is the swing low. I should say, not the swing bottom, the swing low. So that's where I'm firmly looking at. We also have a small channel that goes through around 45.3. But if you take the widening rising channel, it makes more sense that we need to come down to 41 cents. And then if that breaks, you go down to 38 cents, which is the 2020 uptrend. But right now, you can't even get back into that rising channel until you break what looks like a bull flag setup. This guy's in a much bigger bear flag. So until we finish that formation, whether we break down or break out, we're stuck in this little area here. I'm XRP Future Millionaire. If you got anything out of this, please make sure to hit that like button. My voice is struggling a little bit today, but I'll do the best I can. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you appreciate my work. Join the over 18,500 subscribers and share this on social media, as that will help push us through the algorithm. If you're looking to trade your favorite crypto, have MEXC in the video description below and or pinned comments. If you're not in the USA, lowest spot maker fee, and you can futures up to 250x. And if you're in the USA, FEMEX, no VPN needed, lowest spot maker fee for USA residents. And that's also in the video description below and or pinned comments. And if you want to show support, you can join Tom Zummy or send a donation in the video description below and or pinned comments. So make sure when you're paying attention, we watch this current formation with XRP. Until 49 cents is lost, we're still within this, what looks like a bull flag setup, which was disguised in a bear flag. So until this pattern breaks to the downside, we can still consolidate and attempt a breakout. But the moment it breaks down, your first target's going to be around 41 cents at the top of the rising channel, and then 38 cents, which is the 2020 uptrend. And then if you were to break out, if you get past this 533 level, you got to get past 54 cents and ultimately start pushing back up to the rising channel before we could even say we've reversed this short-term momentum to the downside. Let's just say we did make a massive recovery. You would have to get past 61.9, so 62 cents to reverse the short-term bias. I appreciate each and every one of you. Remember, positivity over negativity. We don't play the victim here, we play the winner. And with that, we need all the information to make an educated and informed decision. So for that, I appreciate each and every one of you who take the time to stay committed.